It's been a while that ChatGPT is available for general public. There is, however, an upgraded version which is subscription-based ChatGPT. But in this video, I'm going to compare the ChatGPT 3.5, which is available publicly to everyone, with Bard AI, which is recently launched. So first use case is that in my work, I create a lot of tables for my blog post, for my articles, and creating tables is a little tricky, a little difficult. It takes somewhere from 20 minutes to 40 minutes, maybe even an hour to create a table. If it is complex, it has got complex information, because you will have to go search for the information that you want to put in a table. So it requires a bit of time. So I am going to utilize AI to do that part, and we will be comparing both Bard AI and ChatGPT. So I've already written the prompt. The prompt is find 5 best mobile phones listed on Amazon.in under rupees 15,000 with highest review ratings, and then put it in a table. Smartphone name is the first column, and then CPU, GPU in info in second column, camera and battery information in third column. So I wrote it in different styles to check whether AI is going to pick or understand what I'm trying to achieve here. And also I did a spelling mistake of column here. It is deliberate mistake. And then I want it to put buy it in the next column, which will be hyperlinked with the product page. Let me see if Bard works or not. So it says I'm not able to help with that. I'm only a language model, so it does not work. But I remember that I have done a similar kind of query using ChatGPT. So I'll put my prompt over here and enter. It's the same prompt that I use in Google Bard. And it first said what it said. It is creating the table. Okay, so the problem with ChatGPT is that it is only trained on the data till September 2021. So it does not have data beyond that. So I think the table with the information it had is from before September 2021. So first it said that I'm sorry, but AI-based I don't have real-time information. It does not have real-time, although the plus version, the upgraded version, which has ChatGPT 4, has now got access to internet, because there are a lot of plugins that have been introduced that let you access the internet. So probably if I use the upgraded version, it will find the updated information and put that in table. However, it is still a wonderful job done by ChatGPT. It created a table on my prompt: smartphone name, CPU, GPU, camera and battery information, price, approximate price, and then buy it button. Buy now. The first is Xiaomi Redmi Note 10. And if I click on buy now button, it takes me to Amazon. So it did not hyperlink the exact product page. If I click on the second one, again, it takes me to Amazon.in. So it's still a good thing that it gave me the table, and I can copy this table and put this in my blog post and then edit. It will still save me a lot of time in comparison to Bard, which did not help me at all. So now moving on the next problem or use case. For example, I have got this article. It's a long article, but it is informative article. I want information from this article, and I'm not in a mood to read this. What I can do is I can copy the link and I can put it in Bard, and I'll paste it here, and I'll ask it to summarize this in bullet points. Summarize key information in bullet points. Okay. So it seems to be working. It gave me the key information from that article in bullet points. So Bard works for this one. And let me copy this prompt that I used in Google Bard and let me use it in ChatGPT. So it says that it apologizes. It does not have access to external websites. So here Bard wins. If you have to get summaries, if you have to do anything real time and you do not want to get the subscription of ChatGPT Plus, then you can use Bard. Bard definitely did a good job. And another good thing is you can export the data that you get directly into Google Docs, or you can create a draft in email. So you can use Google Bard AI to write an email or essay or anything, and then it will put that in Google Docs. For example, on 16th of May, day before yesterday, I asked it to create a plan for me. The prompt is, I am 5.8 inches, 78 kg, fat percentage of my body is 30%, and I do not eat fish. I eat chicken, eggs, but I don't enjoy it. Prompt was, create a plan for me to get 6 packs in 6 weeks. I am 5'8", 78 kg with body fat percentage 30%. I do not eat fish. I eat chicken and eggs, but I don't enjoy it. So Google Bard works pretty well for this one as well. Even ChatGPT is going to be good with that, because in weight loss you don't need updated information. I don't need any information that was posted day before yesterday or in 2022 or 2023. It can still work for me if it is from before 2021. So you can say that it created a plan for me. Exercise routine, diet and nutrition. Good thing is ChatGPT gave this option where I can click on it and this gets copied into my clipboard and I can paste it anywhere I want. What Google Bard did is it took it one step further, because it has a lot of other services people use on a regular basis. So here is 6-week plan to help you get 6 packs. Week 1 workout, week 2 workout, week 3 workout, week 4, week 5, week 6. And then it has suggestions for diet as well. Eat plenty of fruit and vegetable. So I like the recommendation given by Google Bard. There is no button to copy. Either I can highlight all the text and copy it, or even better would be click on this to export this response and export it in Google Docs. So it will create a Google Doc. In the same Google account, you are using Google Bards or Google Bard AI. So it created a Google document and gave me the option to open it. So I'm opening my Google Docs and I have that information pasted here. So it's really nice to work with Google Bard for different purposes. So it is nice to see Google has implemented AI so nicely, and I'm really hopeful that it will be introducing more features to Google Bard. Even the interface is much better than ChatGPT. ChatGPT is also still usable in many different use cases, for example creating a table and many other use cases as well. So both are free and you can use both of them. In the next video I will be showing you the ChatGPT Plus and whether or not it is able to do more things in real time. For example, if I have to take data in real time that happened day before yesterday or anything from the past week, will it be able to do it? We will see in the next video.